Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? She got home cooked meals, turn up the heat. A little bit of dessert, it won't hurt. Let's get the cooking with Nana the expert.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making a quick and easy budget-friendly meal. We're going to be making chicken pot pie pasta. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 cups of medium egg noodles, 2 cups of mixed frozen vegetables, ground black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, parsley flakes, that's optional, poultry seasoning. I have 2 large chicken breasts that I pre-cooked. You want to cut it into pieces. 2 10.5-ounce cans of cream of chicken soup and 1 10.5-ounce can of cream of celery soup. Now you want to get a pot of boiling water. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. We're going to add in our egg noodles, and you want to cook them according to the package. So I'll be cooking them for 8 minutes. Now to a heated saucepan, we're going to add in our cream of celery soup and also our cream of chicken. We're just going to whisk it together until it's well combined. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of water just to thin it out some. Mix until well combined. And now we're going to add in our mixed frozen vegetables. You can lower your heat to medium-low. Just go ahead and mix them in. You want it to come to a light simmer. Once it does, put your lid over top, lower it to low, and let it cook for 10 minutes. After 8 minutes, you want to drain your noodles. Okay guys, now you want to taste your food, and we're going to season it. So I'm just going to add just a little bit of the poultry seasoning, some onion powder, and some garlic powder. And guys, you season it to your liking. And also a little bit of ground black pepper. I'm just going to mix it until everything is well combined. Next, we're going to add in our chicken breast. Go ahead and mix it until everything is well combined. Guys, you can also use rotisserie chicken if it's easier for you, or canned chicken. Once it's well combined, you can start to add in your egg noodles. Mixing your noodles until everything is well combined. You can leave it on low for 5 minutes. Okay guys, after 5 minutes, your chicken pot pie pasta is done. Okay guys, now you can add some parsley flakes for garnish. That's optional. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry?